All right. Welcome back, my regular viewers, listeners, and watchers. And of course, if you happen to be here for the very first time, welcome. Before I go any further, my name is Rahul George, India's premier eye hypnosis life healer coach and your personal guide. And of course, a very warm welcome to all of you tuning into the eye hypnosis life coaching journeys. As you know, this podcast has been curated by us, finding some of the most amazing healers and coaches who are out there already on the journey, already tuning into their purpose and living it every single day. And no better than our guest today, Dr. Poonam Maurya. Of course, this is your cue. You can go ahead and unmute and turn on your camera. And it's such a pleasure to have you with us. Yes, good to have you here, Poonam.
Thank you so much for this opportunity and inviting me for your podcast.
Amazing.
It's a pleasure.
Amazing. Amazing. Likewise, I'm really looking forward to hearing your story. And I know as we normally do, we have a catch up before we do the pod. And I know that our viewers, listeners, and watchers are going to really learn a lot, be inspired by you and your journey. And I myself have an opportunity to get to know you better. And this work that we do, लोग अकेले नहीं कर सकते हैं. It is all about collaboration. It's all about the right minds, the right people, with the right hearts meeting. And I'm really looking forward to this pod. So with that, let me welcome you in one more time. And maybe we'll start at the top, right? So when someone says, so Dr. Poonam, what do you do today? What typically do you lead with as on date?
Yeah. So there are two ways to answer. Professionally, I am an oncologist, medical oncologist in Bangalore, Polo Group of hospitals, and also visiting consultant in KIMS Hospital and Medical College. That's my profession. But of late, in the past 3 years, I've been in personal development industry, and now I am also a happiness and mindset coach for busy working professionals for stress management, because I believe stress is the root cause of 90% of the lifestyle diseases.
True.
So I have launched myself in that way.
Amazing, amazing. I love, and I can't help but this is just me being me. I can't help but hear the difference in the way you described your two avatars. So we'll get to that in a moment. But just the fact that there's so much of energy and so much of passion in the way that you're describing what you do, maybe we'll start there. So tell us, like you say, personal development industry and that you've been doing this for 3 years and you've also been an oncologist for a length of time, but obviously and of course because of our pod, which is primarily talking to healers and coaches and of course seekers as well, but I'm very curious to know, like, how did all of this come about? So as we say, what's your origin story, what's your hero's journey? So take us back in time to how did all of this come together, because just the way you said it and that flow and that cadence, right? I'm sure it didn't happen overnight, so there must be a story to this.
Yes, yes.
So
Oh my
take us
God.
back in
I
time.
think there can be a full podcast only on this question. I can go on and on, but I would like to tell very quickly because there are some hidden points from
Mm,
childhood as well. So quickly,
yeah.
I'll just tell you wrap up.
Oh, yeah.
So
Right.
I was born in a middle socioeconomic class in Mumbai, in the Chawls of Mumbai, and my parents had the dream of having their daughter as the doctor, because I come from that North Indian family where girls are not given that much of privilege to give. दहेज के लिए पैसे इकट्ठे किए जाते
Correct. हाँ. Mm, 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 mm. Wow.
even before
Wow.
I was born, they had visualized that we would have a daughter and she would become a big
Mm,
doctor. So that's exactly how it happened. And I was a top ranker right from childhood. So I had imbibed those dreams. I
mm,
have to fulfill the dreams of my parents. So that's how it
mm,
began. Nothing else. There was no other dream. उनके चेहरे पे खुशी लानी है. वो बोलते हैं ना आजकल नाम रोशन करना है. And also, I didn't get to choose my dreams and never had to. Their dreams were my dreams and I fulfilled it.
mm, mm,
But long story short, actually, I fulfilled their dreams. I became a doctor. I studied hard, and the hardships were there,
mm.
being a top performer and all that. got into Grant Medical College, Mumbai, JJ Group of Hospitals,
Mm.
MBBS, and that was a
Mhm.
big moment for my family and my
Mm.
community, because in my North Indian community also, MBBS, I was the first lady, like girl to become, and there was a lot of felicitation. But you know, Rahul, 3 months into the admission, August my admission hua, and I lost my dad in a road accident in December, same year, first year of MBBS. So normally what happens when such things happen, you like
Mm.
family. Somehow I did not show up. I did not cry so much. The only thing was कि मुझे मेरे पापा का dream पूरा करना है. I
Mm.
went ahead. I did not show my weak points, or maybe that was not the right. I don't know what is right or wrong. That point, that was right for me, because there was no way my poor family could think about moving ahead without a
Mm.
supporter and a earner in the family. There was nobody earning. My mom is not that much educated, so she doesn't.
Mm.
She's a housewife. So it was a shock, but I did not, I just showed up that courageous face. I completed, went ahead. You know, I have taken tuitions, I have corrected
Mm.
papers to earn money, I have
Wow.
home tuitions near my medical college so that I earn
Wow.
that extra money.
Mm.
And God was also great. Actually, I would not have told this story with a smile on face if it was a earlier Poonam. You see that
Right.
smile because now when I decode my story, I
Mm.
feel I got lot of support from universe. You know, I got so many scholarships that my fees was taken care. Fees was less because it
Mm.
was a government college.
Mm.
I just got those second-hand books. I did not have to actually invest money
Mm.
in education, and we were living in small this thing, no? So चॉल्स में इतना खर्चा नहीं होता है. Lifestyle is
Huh.
very limited.
Huh. Huh.
I love my Mumbai style, and that used to be sometimes dinner also, lunch also, breakfast
Right.
also. Uh, So this is how it was. It started from there, that the never quitter, go getter attitude was there from the
Mm.
childhood. And then, of course, at the age of 24, when I finished my MBBS and all that in Bombay, then I got a proposal. And again, I was in a dilemma, like, what should I do? Because I'm the eldest in the family. If I get
Mm.
married, then who will take care of the family? But you know, this societal pressure that अभी से लड़का देखना शुरू करो वरना शादी नहीं
Huh.
होगी, एंड ऐसे सब बोलते हैं लोग. तो उसमें क्या हो गया, फर्स्ट मैंने सोचा कि चलो शुरू करते हैं, बिकॉज दे आर टेलिंग, वो शुरू में जो पहले
Right.
आए वही से हो गई. Chance is the best chance. Though it was arranged marriage, I should say it was love at first sight. So when we
How
saw,
sweet.
we thought
Huh.
we are made for each other. So ठीक है. Again, when I entered marriage, so again comfort zone came in. Lots of love came because dad was not there for 6 years
Mm.
before my marriage. Like he was not there. So suddenly rush of love and that comfort zone. And I thought अभी आगे की पढ़ाई नहीं, मतलब I don't know, I may not be able to
Huh.
do so much. I immediately got pregnant the same year and had my first child. Then she
Mm.
became 1 year, and I used to write exams and all that entrance. I was at home. I wasn't
Mm.
working that time. But then my husband was very clear कि नहीं, इसको घर नहीं बिठाना है. He was the one who was actually finding out कि I had done DNB, so where all interviews are there.
Right.
Then I went ahead and did my DNB general medicine from Narayana Hridayalaya, Bangalore. Then by the time I finished my DNB medicine, I was pregnant for the second one. Then again, I
Mm.
had a gap. Then I was confused in life what to do. And then I took up nephrology. That is a
Wow.
kidney
Right.
specialty fellowship. Again, confusion, ये करना है, वो करना है. And two children I had, they were also studying.
Mm.
का एग्जाम चल रहा है, मेरा एग्जाम चल रहा है. I'm telling you, life was such a mess. It's not that happy go lucky which I call my
Right.
happiness. And the story I'm telling because it has a meaning, that why I've become a happiness and
Yes.
mindset coach, because I myself
Mm.
lacked a big time. And
Mm.
so many people lack it because we do many things.
Yes.
इसके लिए कर रहे हैं, happiness के लिए, joy के लिए, which itself is missing. So I had 2 degrees. I am a super specialist. I completed with my kids, with my family responsibilities, taking care of
Mm.
laws, profession. It was not easy. There was
Yeah.
there was many a times it was low journey. And finally, okay, long story short, finally I became the super specialist medical oncologist, and I started seeing my cancer
Huh.
patients and all. And this kind of attitude was there. So I never used to do the rounds in a very sympathy ऐसे नहीं. उनके ही,
Huh.
if they are telling their sad stories, I never want to elaborate their sad story. I was like, motivate them. But somewhere deep within, when I
Right.
was doing those motivational rounds, I used to feel fake
Mm.
rounds. I used to feel, boss, Dr.
Wow.
Poonam, you are not
Mm.
happy. How can you make your patients tell, okay, no, 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 you should not worry. You should not do. I was like, this is
Huh.
nonsense. This is fake motivation. It's not working.
Right.
I am not feeling happy. How can I give my happiness anything if I don't have? What? How
Mm.
can? That's when there
Correct.
was this emptiness lacking. And I felt itni padhai, so much of studies, so much of degrees,
Mm.
and I have got everything I wanted. Why the hell I'm not happy? What is still lacking? You
Mm.
know, this guilt we carry, the victim mindset we carry, it comes irrespective of your academic degrees and social status. So I am
Mm.
a specialist, okay? Matlab the topmost degree. So इसका मतलब ये नहीं है
Mm.
कि I will not have guilt, I will not have resentment, I will not have frustration,
Correct.
will have everything. And I had, and then I was wondering,
Mm.
पढ़ाई करने के बाद why am I having this many?
Mm. Wow. Wow. That is powerful.
So whatever I want to give a message to people who are listening कि
Mm.
लगता है कि
Mm.
बहुत पढ़ाई कर ली 20 साल 30 साल 40 साल जो भी आप पढ़ाई की है एमबीए की इंजीनियरिंग किया है डॉक्टरी किया है भैया दैट पढ़ाई इज ओनली फॉर योर जॉब स्किल it helps
Correct.
maybe your job maybe your title some who are fame and name and you feel proud and a bloated chest and all that but the real padai is the life skill and
Mm.
sadly Rahul you know it's not taught anywhere there is a small subject in schools called value education
Mm.
environmental
True.
science of value education है उसकी तो
True.
कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं करता ना तो बच्चे वैल्यू करते हैं ना पेरेंट्स वैल्यू करते हैं ना ही
Right.
टीचर्स भी इतना भाव नहीं देते हैं कि हाँ ये वैल्यू एजुकेशन टीचर है you know it's high time that we really give importance to that value education as to how to balance emotions and we all know that even Harvard University says that more than IQ your EQ is important
Mm. True.
your IQ and people are grading, you know, rank. I was a top ranker, but now I have two kids at house. One is a top ranker, other is not so. So I truly
Okay.
understand ki what does it mean to just pass?
Mm.
And I am telling कि बेटा marks कुछ नहीं होता है. I have been a top ranker. It took my personal development to tell him कि बेटा तू पढ़ तो खुश रहे तुझे जो करना है तू कर. तो you know it's high time that we stop chasing the IQ. It's about EQ, AQ, SQ. You know all those Qs
Mm.
comes
Mhm.
from Harvard University, and then people just say, "Wow, Harvard is."
Mm.
When Indians Bhagavad Gita is saying, तब नहीं पल्ले पड़ता है. When Bhagavad Gita
Correct.
says कि काम करो, फल की चिंता मत करो. This is most
Mm.
statement we get from Bhagavad Gita.
Mm.
That time नहीं चमकता है. तब तक क्या है स्कूल में काम
Correct.
करो, रैंक लाओ, फल की
Mm.
चिंता करो.
Mm.
That is what is taught in
True.
coaching classes and tuition.
Yeah.
So I thought a major disconnect between academic skills
Mm.
and there was nothing to help me in my emotional. And I thought no. And you know what happened? I then some ads, you know, I was not on social media and all.
Mm.
Started 2 3 years back. Then
Mm.
something I saw and I just clicked the link. I clicked the link one by one. I did around, you know, I told you, you will think I'm a mad person, but I've done 40 courses across
Mm.
specialities. One by
Mm.
one, one by one, one by one, I kept clicking the links and kept taking up those courses across mindset, NLP from various people, and you know, spirituality, astrology, numerology,
Mm.
G. Because I wanted to
Nice.
understand कि कैसे करते हैं लोग एंड आई थॉट ये करने से हो जाए वो करने से हो जाए
Mm.
then I felt I am taking the courses but I'm not completing any one of them and I'm not following any practices hope on a EFD everything I know I am the master certificate भी है मेरे पास but then फिर मुझे लगा कि it's not helping so many
Mm.
are available how do I make people get that benefit in a simpler
Right.
that my mission and
Nice.
people know many things knowledge is not scarcity now chat gpt hai google hai everyone is there to help you and take out the knowledge but the power is not in the knowing the power is in the doing and that is missing people know what they have to do I don't have to tell
Mm.
this podcast ki do yoga meditation do
Huh.
that nothing, no gyanbazi. Everybody knows what they have to do, but they don't do. And they don't do because you and me know, Rahul, you know why they are not doing. That's the whole
Mm.
aim about. They don't
Mm.
value themselves, they don't love themselves, they don't respect themselves. The self esteem, self worth, self love, self value is totally missing, irrespective of your degrees, money, bank, that it's not proportional to your life skills at all. That's the sad story. And that's how I am so happy. Initially, I will be very vulnerable here on this platform. I know people are listening. When I started this, so many महंगे courses किए, close to 20 lakhs I have done in 3 years. But
Right.
I was shy to put any post on the social media कि look, I have done this. Look, Thaddeus की साथ की photo, Blair Singh. You know, these international speakers have done the courses. I have never posted anything on the social media for the last. Look, I have done this. I'm this.
Right.
But now when I have certified as a ISO certified life coach, happiness and mindset coach, and somebody told me, look, Poonam, how will people know that you know and you are so and so? You need to put yourself. So now
Correct.
recently people can see that I have put. I took me time to find out those pics, old pics of
Right.
and all certifications.
Correct.
I'm so happy because a happy doctor can make a happy patient. And that's exactly I do in my rounds. So and people who are listening, who are close to me, they know I don't know any Rona Dhona rounds. There is no Rona. There is only shouting. I shout in a nice way because they are saying ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, and you know,
Correct.
empower them. ये तो होगा ही. पहले नहीं होता था क्या? The headache, vomiting, or whatever is happening once in a while, they make it so huge just because you have got a cancer diagnosis. I just tell them, look, didn't you have this before you got cancer? You never felt ill? You never had headache? नहीं होता था. अभी क्या बदल गया? ये भी एक disease है. So using NLP and mindset, I want to people talk about cancer. People talk about chemotherapy. If the attitude changes, everything changes. You know, Rahul, that it's all about lenses and eyes. The way we
Right.
look at things, when we change the way we look at things, the things we look at changes. We don't have to change the thing. Only we have to change the way we look at things. And that's whole game about mindset and it.
Beautiful. I love that. I love how you just tapped into something that just flowed through you. And for people listening, and like I said before we started, the advantage of this work that we do is they get to hear you for eternity, right? So whenever people hear this message, they will definitely have been literally bathed in that energy, which, as you said, it's the happiness is something that you've always tapped into, or you started to tap in even more in the last couple of years. But that's also part of the journey, when you realize that, hey,
Here, quickly, I'll tell you, earlier also people have seen me happy.
exactly.
But you know how I used to smile? You can see the recent reel, earlier smile, and it's the same old dress which I've worn in TTT. And I'm wearing the same to get that feel.
Okay.
I
Wow.
keep all my old dresses. I don't throw it away. So I used to smile like this. You know, my teeth are misaligned and
Okay.
there are gaps. I have not completed the treatment because dad ki ye ho gayi. All those excuses are there in my life also.
Right.
And now also my dentist told me कि मैडम करवा लो ना, अब तो पैसे हैं, अलाइनर है, ये. तो मैंने उनको बोला कि आई एम वर्किंग ऑन माय इनर अलाइनमेंट, इसका बाद में देख.
Nice.
And earlier I used to smile like this, but now if you see
Right.
every photo, I smile.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's the
So true.
soul opening up. So earlier the smile used to be कि तुम इतना क्यों मुस्कुरा रहे हो, क्या गम पा रहे हो. That song,
True.
Ghazal, my favorite
Yeah. Yeah.
Ghazal. But now it's a true smile. There's nothing that I'm hiding. I
Yeah.
am showing what I am inside. Truly.
Exactly.
That's
Yeah.
the journey that I have embraced. So I used to be
Beautiful.
happy before also, used to be fake, but now it's become
Yeah.
so obvious that no matter what happens around me,
Yeah.
I choose my happiness because happiness is your choice. Is your
Yeah.
choice.
Beautiful.
And we need to make that choice every moment, every day. Nobody is going to make that choice for you.
Love that. So I have two questions here. One is, of course, there's usually everybody has a different story and yet it's similar. Do you remember actually that moment when you said this whole happiness switch on, switch off जो वो हुआ था, जो अंदर का click था? Do you remember that moment when you suddenly went like, no, this has to change? Like I've done all of these things, I'm doing the rounds and whatever, but andar wala jo fake sympathy or the sympathy that you're showing, like that's not who you are. So there was that shift in your story also, like as I was listening to it, it's like that was what kept coming. Ki somewhere there was that moment of realization, something clicked because you said nahi. And you mentioned also ki, I've studied everything else, like the topmost specialization, ultra specialization in one area of life, but ye life ka jo super specialization hai, wo nahi kiya hai, right? So do you recall when that realization happen? Because that has obviously sent you on a journey now over these last 3 years. And as I'm sure you know, this is just the beginning, right? So like literally for the rest of your life, you get to keep doing, mastery upon mastery upon mastery of life. And I'm sure there'll be many, many courses and programs and residentials and what have you, where you get to go deeper, right? Like, from Vipassana, there's so many things out there in the world, and a lot of them that we're still discovering. That's why, like you called it, the personal development industry. And it's true that what didn't exist before, which was not, it was sort of like all over the place. But now there's more of sort of like a formalization happening. Now we have these terms and we have people who are doing it, right? That's also one of the reasons why this podcast exists, because there are people who have had that realization and people have had that understanding that, oh, my specialization is X, because they really connect with it, whether it's Reiki, whether it's, tarot, yoga, hypnosis, NLP, whatever it is. And there are some people who are really good at one of them, while they maybe have learned a whole bunch of other things along the way. And they'll continue to learn. So I'm curious to know, because you're really living it. Like you said, I've kept those dresses that I wore then. It reminds me of who I was and who I am, right? And I can see something just kind of clicked. So
So the last part which you said, I'll decode how it
sure.
went off this thing. Before that, the way you said, no, there are so many courses and people take up and then they do which they get related. It's a very,
Mm.
very beautiful example. I'm remembering when you have desserts in. I'm a foodie person. Okay, people who foodie person, but I have changed the way I eat food now because I know food is like prasad. You should not make it a mess. So when you go for desserts, no, there will be one
Mm.
platter of desserts. Gulab jamun bhi hai, ice cream bhi hai, pastry
Correct.
bhi hai, क्या शाही टुकड़ा, खीर भी है, सब कुछ है. So I used to be that person. I'll tell you very openly. I used to have everything little.
Right. Right.
Everything I want little. But nowadays I have observed that I am not eating ice cream.
Mm.
I am not eating those cakes. I will eat
Mm.
gajar ka halwa or maybe
Mm.
dal halwa. So I am selective. So
Mm.
this is how happens. Initially, you would want to taste everything. फिर आप खाते खाते बोर हो जाओगे and then you will not get
Right.
related to ice cream or this. So I'm talking about the courses and then you will find "नहीं, मुझे yoga पसंद आ रहा है. I'm loving the
Right.
slow form of yoga. And some people
Correct.
will tell नहीं मुझे yoga for I'm loving my Zumba. I'm happy in Zumba or
Mm.
I'm happy in dance. So there are many sweets available to make you happy.
Correct.
Similarly, there are many courses available to make you happy. Ultimate goal of human life
Mm.
is to be happy. That's it.
Correct.
I'll prove it to you. How the goal of human life is happy. Do you want that proof?
I'm sure people are saying yes.
How do
And I
we wish
also,
anything? How do we wish? Happy New Year.
just to put this into context, we have Shifali Manhas and we've also got a Ready 743
Yeah.
who are listening right
Nice.
now.
So
Go ahead.
nice. So I was telling that I will prove to you that the goal of human life is not your money, not
Mm.
your name, fame, or personal development, how many coaching, how much business, nothing. वो सब है, ठीक है.
Mm. Mm.
Ultimate goal of human life is to be happy, and I'll prove it to
Mm.
you now in just
Mm.
1 minute, less than a minute.
Okay.
All
Go
our
for
wishes.
it.
Happy New Year, Happy Diwali,
Mm.
Happy Dasra, Happy Holi, Happy Birthday. All the
Right.
wishes are happy.
Right.
Why? Because हम चाहते हैं कि happy हो जाए. We
Right.
all want that happiness. Happy
Mm.
this, happy that, happy Diwali, happy Dasra, happy Holi, happy birthday,
Mm.
happy anniversary. But where is the happiness? Where is the
Mm.
happy? Who is happy? That's the question I want the viewers to think.
Mm.
बोलते तो है खुश रहो खुश रहो खुश रहो हैप्पी 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 हैप्पी
Mm.
कितना है कौन है so happiness exists in shopping, happiness exists while watching movie, happiness exists
Mm.
by eating food, your desserts. That's the momentary happiness that we are chasing. एक बड़ी गाड़ी, एक
Mm.
बड़ा घर, एक बड़ा salary, एक बड़ा name, एक बड़ा title. That's the
Right.
happiness that we have created. But happiness is grossly missing and we want it. That's the purpose.
Mm.
All our wishes are happy, but that is missing. And that's the
Right.
whole aim of a happiness coach like me, that I want to bring it not only to the wishes. We should not be wishing happy this occasions. Every moment can be happy. Every day can be happy.
Mm.
So you asked me the moment what
Mm.
that clicked.
Clicked.
Okay. So for this, there was no particular moment that clicked. You don't find any particular moment. It's a gray zone. So there is white and there is black. How did Poonam black became Poonam white? Something like that.
Mm.
Beach में
Correct.
gray zone. And that gray zone was when I used to speak to people, I found myself a big liar.
Wow.
मतलब हम बोलते हैं ना कि हाँ मैं
Uh-huh.
we are all are liars. This also I can prove to anybody who says no. You ask people how are you, the person who is asking the question and the person who is answering the question both are telling lies.
Right.
The person who is asking how are you is not interested to know how are you. They
Mm.
don't have time to listen to your real how are you answer.
Correct.
We ask
Correct.
for social connection because क्या
Mm.
बात करें ना, how are you, ठीक है?
Mm.
That is the one big lie. Second, the person who answers how are you quickly answers I'm fine. All
Mm. Mm. Mm.
so there is no authenticity in the way we are coming. So when I used to interact with patients also, or even at family front or personal front, both the places
Mm.
I am living a misaligned life. I am not. I am. I am not able to express myself completely at both the ends, not only professional, personal. So people pleasing, big
Right.
time people pleasing. क्यों? Because harmony around me. I want harmony outside me. I kept on
Mm.
saying yes, 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 yes. But the number of times I told yes outside was exactly the number of times I told no to me inside.
Mm. Right.
That was the
Beautiful.
I did never understood these concepts.
Mm.
More you are telling yes to the whole world, the more you are sacrificing yourself and your happiness.
Mm.
So there are books on this, no? How to say no when you want, how to say no when you want to say yes, something
Say
like that.
yes.
So that no yes में हम उलझ के रह जाते हैं.
Right.
जो
Right.
अंदर
Mm. Mm. Mm.
your dressing and maybe you can speak in a little more polished way. तो मैंने सोचा कि हाँ चलो थोड़ा सा कुछ करते हैं.
Yeah.
तो मैंने बोला ये मुझसे नहीं होने वाला है भैया. Not going to be someone who
Yeah.
I'm not.
Who you're
And
not.
I will
True.
speak like this. I know I smile a lot. I laugh a lot. I have that childish nature and I'm 100% aware of it.
Mm.
मुझे ना बच्चों जैसे हंसना, बच्चों जैसे बातें करना पसंद. पहले
हाँ.
मुझे लगता था कि now I'm next week I'm going to be 45. So
Yeah.
मुझे लगता था 45 years में हम बच्चे जैसे कैसे बात कर सकते. मेरा ड्रेसिंग ये वो मतलब आई एम स्टिल डूइंग. मेरे एज की वुमेन तो दे आर मोर सीरियस इन देयर लाइफ अबाउट देयर
Mm.
किड्स, अबाउट दिस प्रॉब्लम्स, रिस्पांसिबिलिटी. मुझे क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? मतलब पहले होता.
Mm. Mm.
आई व्हेन फ्रीड अप माय सेल्फ
Yes.
and I heard something called as inner child and there are
Mm.
for inner child healing. I have not done that. मैंने
Exactly.
सिर्फ उसकी
Right.
एड देखी, वो भी मेरी फ्रेंड है. I like
Mm.
लो भैया, they are telling us to embrace the inner child within me. Then why the hell I want to close my inner child? We should
Both.
actually from my mentor also, I have heard this many times that
Mm.
children are the purest souls on this earth and we try to correct them ऐसे मत करो वैसे, but actually they are more purest forms of
Yeah.
God's vibration and
Yeah.
God's power.
Yeah.
And we
True.
are diluting and corrupting them with our whatever so-called knowledge we see.
Yes.
We have to actually learn from children rather than.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
So if any one of you are viewers and if you feel कि मेरे अंदर वो childish nature है, and
Mm.
many people try to suppress that childish nature thinking कि I am the CEO, I am the doctor.
Mm.
Will people think I should talk in a very sophisticated way? You know, I can finish the podcast in a very, very sophisticated way I'm speaking now, but I won't enjoy it. That's not who I am. So
Right.
do and see and be whatever you are inside. When you express yourself outside completely,
Mm.
people actually value. You get connected more nicely. You
Mm.
become more authentic, and authenticity is power. We know it.
Yes.
Authenticity is power. Vulnerability is power. Here, for
Mm.
many years, I have felt guilty that I shout. I am an angry person, okay? People who are listening, my
Mm,
students and some nurses, I shout. And so many years I used to feel bad. Why do I shout? Why do I get
mm,
angry? Angry on patients ki इनको कितनी बार बोला तो भी समझता नहीं है. I have told them to come early morning, they are not coming. I have told them to take their medicine, they are not taking. So वो मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता था. For
हाँ,
their benefit. This problem got solved by one of my patient attender. She
mm,
told me, Madam, you are a very good person at heart. Your anger is sattvic anger. She told me
wow,
three types of anger, just like three types of food.
mm,
Sick, tamasic, and sattvic.
wow,
Your anger is for the
amazing.
benefit of the patient.
Right.
आप उनको स्ट्रिक्टली बोलोगी नहीं तो वो कभी अपना ध्यान नहीं रखेंगे.
Mm,
So don't feel
mm,
bad about it. That happened around 7-8 months back, and from
mm,
that moment I am like shouting,
सही है.
shouting, but not feeling bad
हाँ,
shouting because I catch
right.
myself. ऐसा नहीं है कि I
Mm,
having negative emotions. Everybody,
mm,
how much ever
of
courses
course.
you will have emotions.
True,
How do you
true.
handle? Are you aware of them? Are you coming back on track? So that coming
Mm,
track is very fast. Actually, one patient shouting, other patient loud. This happens in my rounds. It's so
amazing.
fast. Yeah. So it's
Beautiful.
about embracing everything, not feeling bad. Why am I feeling bad?
Mm,
It's deep.
yeah, yeah,
Not feeling bad. Why am I feeling bad? Now my driver also,
correct.
my driver will know me most because I am very fearful on the road.
Mm,
Fearful person. And he knows that because, and I've told him, Ki, look, I will make some sound, but you chalao your gadi, you don't bother. I have some fear. Earlier, I used to get frustrated. Why am I so fearful about the traffic and sitting in my
mm,
own car? And में जाना में उतना डर नहीं लगता है, but मेरी कार में बैठने में, तो maybe because of the accident of dad or
mm,
I have not witnessed it, but I think it is there at the back of my mind. Like it,
mm,
all those things are there, but now it doesn't frustrate me to that extent because it's okay. डर लगता
yeah,
है तो लगता है, तो
correct.
क्या हुआ? So what?
Right, right.
So
Yeah.
I don't feel bad about that I'm having this.
Mm,
So the moment of transformation which you asked, there are no one moments, there are many
correct.
moments where I felt I'm inauthentic. The moment I realized I'm inauthentic, I didn't want to be that way. And that's how these courses helped me to open.
Mm,
Told to be more and more open. What
yeah,
is inside to be outside.
true.
Then you enjoy what you are doing. Then how
Mm,
much ever work, midnight, it doesn't matter. Your
mm,
timing doesn't matter. Your energy is high. You will do
mm,
no matter what. When you
correct.
are inside out sane. That's the power of being.
Beautiful. Lovely. So before we switch gears and we go into the main segment, which is, what you do today, I said there were two questions I had. One was this,
Sure.
right? Do you remember the moment? The other was, of all the subjects that you could have chosen in your professional path, right? What made you choose oncology? Like, what was that
This story
origin story?
again, if you ask, it will be whole podcast because there are a lot of decoding lessons. There's lots to learn from my own story, life story. So
Hmm.
oncology, I have not chosen.
Okay.
Oncology has chosen me.
Wow.
I'll tell you why.
Yeah.
So after general medicine, we are supposed to write one entrance exam. And
Huh.
when we pass, then we will get the CET counseling, Delhi, New Delhi, we have to
Huh.
counseling hota hai, and
Huh.
whatever seats we are getting, we have to choose from that.
Right. Huh.
So after DNB medicine, I had given the CET. I had 2 children at
Mm,
that time. Second one had also
mm,
delivered.
mm,
No, no, not after medicine, after nephrology because मैं fully
mm.
confused थी, मतलब full confusion.
हाँ.
और इतने लोगों
Mm.
का दिमाग खाया है क्या करूँ, क्या करूँ, क्या करूँ, क्या करूँ. So all that confusion is also okay. Now I know
Yes.
if somebody is you are growing, boss. If you are not growing, you will not be confused. People who want to just do shopping, Netflix, watch reels, watch movies, they are not confused in life. People who want to do something better are the ones who are having confusion. So if you're
True.
confused, growing, you are growing. So was I. So much confusion. When I gave the entrance first time, I actually didn't pass the exam. 50% passing होता है, 1 mark से
Mm. Wow.
दो बच्चे ऑलरेडी हैं, थीसिस बाकी था कंप्लीट करना और मेरा नेफ्रोलॉजी का फेलोशिप चल रहा है एंड आई एम समबडी टोल्ड नो ओनली फेलोशिप विल नॉट हेल्प, यू हैव टू डू द सुपर स्पेशलिटी. तो उसके लिए एग्जाम लिखा, उसमें फेल हो गए. फेल हो गए।
Mm,
सो ऑल दैट
mm,
हैज़ हैपेंड। 1 मार्क से आई टेल नाउ पास नहीं हुए रादर देन फेल हो गए। तो
mm,
पास नहीं हुए तो क्या करेंगे?
mm.
सेकंड ईयर इट हैपेंस वन्स इन अ ईयर, अगले साल फिर से
Right.
एग्ज़ाम।
Right.
व्हेन आई वाज़
Wow.
गिविंग द फाइनल एग्ज़ाम, समबडी टोल्ड ट्राई करके देखो, शायद यू हैव जस्ट कंप्लीटेड योर कोर्स, यू मे बी एलिजिबल। पर वो एलिजिबल नहीं थे बिकॉज़ कोर्स ही कंप्लीट
Mm, mm, mm.
टाइम्स। एंड व्हाट यू आर सीइंग इज़ ओनली द एपल ऑफ द चेरी ऑन द केक। बट बीच में जो मिस हुआ है वो देखा नहीं किसी ने।
Right.
फेल हुई हूँ भैया, एंड देन थर्ड टाइme when I came, I passed. I passed
Mm,
and I wanted, because I had done fellowship in nephrology, I wanted DMT
mm,
nephrology because that's the stream
mm,
I knew everything about nephro. Like I'd done so many procedures, everything बहुत अच्छा लगता है। Nephrology, uh, counseling room में 20 people were sitting and there were 3 seats remaining. 20 people में 3 seats remaining, you can get it because not everybody wants nephrology ना, cardiology,
correct.
neurology, rheumatology, hematology, so many specialties. I was damn confident I will get it. मतलब मुझे
Mm,
लगा, मतलब I was so happy.
right.
उधर के उधर in the next 5 minutes, all
Mm,
the 3 seats went in front of me.
wow.
तो बैंगलोर में नहीं मिला, एंड बिकॉज़ माय
Ah,
चिल्ड्रन वर आल्सो स्टडीइंग, फैमिली वाज़ सेटल्ड, आई डिडन्ट वांट टू
mm,
reshuffle everything to Hyderabad or Andhra, but it will be
mm,
too much for everybody to relocate and everything.
mm,
Personally, I didn't want to do that, so I thought, अब क्या करूँ? Like I
mm.
started crying like a baby in the counseling room. I am an
Wow.
adult, इस वक़्त भी 34 years की रही हूँ।
Ah,
I was crying like a baby कि नेफ्रो में 3
mm,
साल बिताया है, जूनियर कंसल्टेंट इन नेफ्रो, आई कुड नॉट गेट दिस, अब मैं क्या करूँगी? बट
mm,
बैक ऑफ द माइंड आई हैड मेड अ प्लान बी। ये मैंने
mm,
बना के रखा था कि नहीं मिला तो क्या?
mm.
बिकॉज़ समहाउ जिनके साथ गई थी, उन्होंने एक ही प्लान, ये नहीं मिला तो
Mm,
वापस जाएँगे। तो दे उनको
wow.
नहीं मिला हेमाटोलॉजी, दे वेंट अवे। बट आई हैड
Mm,
प्लान बी कि
mm,
3 बार तो एग्ज़ाम दिया, हाउ कैन आई नॉट हैव अ प्लान बी? अब और नहीं एग्ज़ाम देना है। तो प्लान
mm,
बी में आई हैड डिसाइडेड आफ्टर ईटिंग सो मेनी पीपल्स ब्रेन्स what to do. So I had decided I will take up something which I don't know anything. I was never
mm,
interested in oncology in my MBBS। जनरल मेडिसिन में भी हमको ऑन्कोलॉजी पोस्टिंग नहीं था। इन आवर
mm,
हॉस्पिटल वर नॉट मेनी सो मेनी पेशेंट्स, इट वाज़ नॉट अ onco center.
mm,
तो कार्डियोलॉजी आई हैड गुड एक्सपोज़र, नारायण हृदयालय इज़ अ वेरी गुड हॉस्पिटल। मेडिसिन में I was the first batch under Dr. Murli Mohan sir. We got good exposure under all super specialties. तो
mm,
I don't know,
mm,
I developed, I never liked something. नेफ्रो नहीं मिला तो I thought I will take up oncology because मुझे इसमें कुछ पता नहीं है. Let me just take
mm,
that.
mm, mm.
I wanted, I have spent 3
Right.
nephro, but I didn't get. You know that,
Mm,
and I am so glad that I'm sharing it in this way.
mm.
I used to feel कि मैं ये किसी को बताऊँ, what will people, this
Ah,
this doctor has changed from nephrology to what is this doctor? मतलब doctor is confused. ऐसे में सोच के मैं बताती नहीं थी. But now I'm very bold कि it's okay no matter what. And that knowledge is also helping me, by the way. Nothing goes waste.
yeah. Yeah.
Oncology was not a choice. And this is a very big message for my viewers that even if you get anything in life which was not your choice, which was not the choice you wanted to make,
Mm,
it is still a good choice. Because
wow.
I am a very passionate oncologist, love my subject, and I'm so happy that this is a field where, see, बीमारियां तो बहुत हैं, stroke है, diabetes है, hypertension है, paralysis, so many things are there. But the amount of fear is there in oncology is not there in any other specialty. And I had to become a happiness and mindset coach and
Mm,
psychologist, on the top of it. What a blessing.
mm.
I just
True.
want to take it to such a big level that people should not talk about cancer as God, cancer हो गया। डायबिटीज के बारे में कैसे बोलते हैं, हाँ डायबिटीज है, गोली है, खा लो, वॉकिंग करो, योगा करो, हो गया। कैंसर भी वैसा ही है। Not
Mm,
cancers are bad is the message that I keep talking in my cancer
beautiful.
awareness talks. We need to change the way we look at cancer. So the moment we change the way we look at things, the things we look at changes.
Absolutely.
The patients are experiencing this. They feel so happy.
Mm,
They feel so empowered. But वो
mm,
ले है ना, मतलब everybody's mindset I have to change. So that's why I brought up these online courses so that we change the way we look at things.
mm.
We have to change. Nothing is going to change in this world. Nothing changes till nothing changes. Simple.
Powerful. Like I said, a lot of what we do here, and Poonam, thank you for your energy and your connection to something beyond just the humanness. right? I can hear it and I can feel that spirit in you as you speak. And that's why no question is out of turn. It's exactly as it's meant to be. And I know people hearing this have, it's like the chat box is on fire. So people are really loving the energy and the way that you're sharing this. Now we'll switch gears, as I said before. We're ready now
Yes.
to spend a little bit of time on, as I said, the core audience that we have, which is healers and coaches, right? So, in that journey, like you said, over these last 3 years, you've attended and you've not just attended, but you've, like signed up and done over 40 courses. And I'm sure this is just the beginning, lots more to come. As they say, picture to abhi baki hai. But, having done all of that, and like you said, your focus is on happiness. If someone was to say, okay, so what happens in the work that you do today as a coach, what happens in the community that you have, where you are currently on your journey of building your community? Because aaj ke zamane mein there is an understanding that this kind of work, especially coaching and healing, if you have a community, that tends to fulfill a lot more versus purane zamane mein it was only like pre-COVID, it was only coaches. We won't even call coaches. It was like, okay, somebody's a therapist, right? And वो या तो वन ऑन वन करेंगे या कभी कभी they'll do a workshop. That was it. आज के ज़माने में, and with digitization, digital aspect coming in, there's a lot more awareness of community. So blending these three elements, one is community, two is what you do currently. And, it's like if someone was listening to this, and that's why the podcast exists. So people get to know not only you, but also the work that you're doing. So they will be inspired to either join or say, I'll I can do things like this because Poonam is able to do it. Right?
Yeah.
That's the reason why I'm asking the question.
Correct. So community, when you asked, so this was again a big this thing that I attended so many courses. I tasted
हाँ,
transformation,
हाँ.
whatever bit transformation I felt in
Mm-hmm.
my life.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Then I felt कि चलो coaching certification भी कर लिया. Coaching, I have to launch some courses, but who will attend my courses? Whom will I
Correct.
tell? See, I am going to 3-4 hospitals, and people who know me, they
Mm.
know me. Okay, so it's not that वो सब छोड़ छाड़ के I am doing all this.
हाँ.
I love oncology. I cannot leave that. Along
Right.
with that, I have to do this mindset work and happiness work also.
Mm.
So I used to think, कि, how will I go about? So then I signed up for few more courses to actually set up the systems, because it is very
Mm.
easy to just give it away and outsource with
Mm.
the money and all. But then it is also important to know how does the system work, so that if the
Right.
system fails, I know what to correct from the back end. That much also I
Correct.
have developed a skill, and I feel so empowered. Ki me being a non-technical person, now I know
Mm. Correct. Huh.
will do, but I feel empowered. So I have
Mm.
the called as Health is Wealth. It's a WhatsApp.
Mm.
Health is
Nice.
wealth. And you won't believe the origin of health is wealth. Just imagine, this is all divine plan.
Mm.
I did not start it with the intention when I became a coach. I had started even before I started my personal development journey.
Wow.
Maybe only one course I had joined for weight, because I was overweight actually. I was overweight,
Mm.
and this pain, that pain. Okay, that also I'll take.
Mm.
So when I signed up for that, it was beyond weight loss. It was not weight loss. It was
Mm.
mindset. Again, I was like blown away.
Mm.
So whatever I felt, I started one group called Health is Wealth in 2022, October.
Mm.
Exactly 3
Mm.
years back I had started.
Right.
15 nurses from my hospital, they had joined the group, and we all
Wow.
lost weight, and amazing results. And
Amazing.
I didn't have
Wow.
any social media, YouTube channel,
हाँ.
Insta, FB, nothing, no posting anywhere. But by
Correct.
word of mouth, some more people started asking, Madam, when is the next program? We want to join. And I had put a very
Mm.
nominal fee of
Mm.
500 rupees that time. I wanted
Mm.
them to pay a little bit so that they become committed.
Correct. Correct. हाँ. बिल्कुल.
वेट लॉस का, और मुझे भी बहुत मजा
Mm.
आया था, एंड आई गॉट लाइक वीडियोस
Mm.
डालना है, मैं व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में डालती थी. सो दिस हेल्थ इज वेल्थ ग्रुप started in 2022 October, and
Wow.
it was redundant for 3 years. Only those 15 people who I know, that's it.
हाँ.
I never expanded, I never thought, and I thought अगर ग्रुप ओपन किया तो मुझे बहुत नर्चरिंग करना पड़ेगा, बहुत
Mm.
I don't have any system, Zoom भी नहीं है.
Mm.
Of late, when I joined my setting up the coaching systems 2.5
Mm.
months back, I'm in another community. So now I have a system where Zoom and everything is
Right.
integrated, platform
Mm.
courses, cutting courses,
Mm. Mm.
loading. So then I got an idea कि now I'm set for starting taking sessions. But who is
Right.
it? There are only 15 people. I thought I'll send 1111. There are many contacts in phone.
Hmm.
So then on the Gauri Ganesha day, Gauri Ganesha festival day, I got a bulb on. Oh no, you don't have to do anything. You have already done 3 years back. Group is ready. Just
Right.
send the link. I just send, click the. I'm very good at making videos fast. Was the way I'm talking. I just talk and
Huh.
I don't go for perfection.
Huh.
A
Huh.
small video. It is not. I'm not very good looking also in that small video of 30 seconds and a small message. So click the link below. Health is Wealth group. Join in and be available for lots of free sessions and all
Huh.
that.
Huh.
Monday 9 p.m. we do.
Huh.
You won't believe. I got that intention. I took action.
Hmm.
Within 1 hour, 15 member group became
Wow.
108. The magical number.
Wow.
1
Wow.
hour it became
That's powerful.
108. In 24 hours, the group became 300 above.
Amazing.
And today, as we talk, it's 515 something. Health is Wealth
Amazing.
group. So there are many contacts and many
Hmm.
unknown people because home
Hmm.
are not there in my phone. Because the message was click the link below, join the group, and send this message to your friends and family. Invite them
Hmm.
for free sessions on mindset improvement for health and diseases. I'm not
Right.
talking about eat banana, do yoga.
Hmm.
That is not the course about.
Correct.
It is about how do I make them understand? How do I empower them?
Hmm.
So, bhaiya, know
Hmm.
how much time is going for health, how much
Hmm.
time is going for wealth. Wealth creation is the maximum time, morning to evening, office
Right.
work.
Right.
Health creation, nothing.
Hmm.
Even when you are doing health creation, even when you are doing yoga, even when you are in gym, even when you are eating good food, your mind
Hmm.
is stuck in some nonsense thoughts. Health
Hmm.
creation is actually not happening. So that was the purpose of Health is Well group. So we are
Hmm.
500 plus members and we have weekly calls. I have already conducted 7 sessions, weekly sessions. I started very
Hmm.
recently and now I'm coming up with a masterclass on stress management. That is the
Hmm.
Burnout to Balance masterclass. The first ever masterclass is coming tomorrow, Friday, and it is a
Congrats.
magical day. And
Hmm.
25.
Hmm. Right. Okay. Hmm. True. Nice.
For me to
Hmm.
design the course covers nurses, students,
Hmm.
patients, their families. Like all this will come up in the near future. But what to
Right.
start with?
Right.
People who I was working with, they told, what's your niche?
Hmm.
What do you want to do?
Hmm.
Who is going to be your audience? That was a big question. I told, no. I want to do for my patients. I want to do for my patients and their families. But then I
Hmm.
thought, patients, so anyway, I'm doing counseling and we have a lot of sessions. I'm a part of a NGO where also we give motivational talks. I get it
Hmm.
for cancer awareness and all. And then I was not very comfortable whether it will that it was my mental block, I should say. Then you know how the course got created. It's
Hmm.
so amazing. How I have become, who was I, how I have become,
Right.
what I have achieved, वही दुनिया को बता देती हूँ. This is what people need. And this is what my patients and their families also need. Because stress
Hmm.
is the root cause of all diseases. What they are suffering, ye back pain, ye pain, wo pain. Patients tell so many complaints, over and above the
Hmm.
chemo, headache ho raha hai, back pain ho raha hai, knee, they are not able to sleep, they're not able to eat, they're not able to
Hmm.
them
Hmm. Wow.
themselves.
Hmm.
They don't
True.
want to take action.
True.
Taking
Hmm.
omega
Hmm.
3 or okay, vitamin D.
Correct.
No, I don't want to work for myself. I don't want to work.
Right.
This attitude is so
Hmm. Hmm. Correct.
सोचने में थक जाते हैं और फिर कर ही नहीं पाते हैं. We don't do it because keep
Hmm. Hmm.
no.
Hmm.
How
Of
long
course.
will you keep chasing that it was not fair? No, मिला उसको
Mm,
मिला problem
mm,
you will.
right. Nice. I love that. It's like there's this flow that happens that you're tapping into and you're like, this is the message, and it's like just goes out into the world, which is amazing because that really is the point of what we're doing here. To remind people कि you have something inside of you that you can share with the world, that you can make a difference with in the world. So it's so beautiful to see you living that and channeling that and putting it out there into the world, because like I said, the beautiful part of this work is at some point, I'm sure you'll experience this before you know it. Somebody will come to you or message you saying, Dr. Poonam, you don't know me, but I saw this the other day. I saw this reel and your energy just woke me up again. Like I was like that when I was young, then I forgot. And now when I watched your message, when I saw your reel, and now of course we live in the world of reels and shorts, but something about the way you spoke, it just has put that life back into me. And thank you for doing what you're doing.
Let's speak when we're
Mm.
talking about
Of
stress
course.
management. Okay? Okay. Go.
Right. Right.
हम भाग रहे there.
Right.
So
Amazing.
stress, yes, change the way,
Yeah.
the
Beautiful.
whole ball game.
Yeah.
The moment you will, I'm not
Right.
going to stop. Every challenge is coming to break you. Everything is coming
Yes.
strong, Downhill. People will doubt
Yeah.
on
Right.
and they will tell, I'm broken. How do? Why is it? I want to give them
True. I
relieves us. Okay, for
exactly.
her show up, question,
Beautiful.
ask.
True.
Go the ego state. But when somebody inside,
Yeah, absolutely. I'm with you 100% on this. One final segment, something that is a very important part of this podcast. When like today, you're lucky number 90 for us. We are on the 90th episode of this podcast. And, when we started after about 25 episodes, I had this realization that there's a very important component that I had sort of overlooked, and that is, the role of mentors in our lives, especially as coaches and healers. Yeah, apne aap nahi hai. There are teachers who showed up at just the right time. Maybe we were struggling, maybe we were lost, maybe we were hungry. These people literally, like they say, they just showed up, and that has made all the difference to who we are today. So this is that segment where it's your opportunity to express your gratitude for these people who showed up in your life as your mentors. So this segment is aptly called the journey of mentors. So share with us, who are these people who showed up, their names, and tell us a little bit about how they played that role in your life at that point on your journey.
yes. When they say कि आपके घर में to call the plumber. हम नहीं fix करेंगे पाइप. हमको तो आता भी नहीं है. हम आता भी नहीं. Call the right person. So you can't call everybody. Urban Clap or wherever.
Correct.
Where is the leakage happening? Points it out.
Correct.
Don't do things. Not happy. Should I
Correct.
much money? There's so much of value available. Of course, there is value available. But what is the rule? You can't
Right.
fix it. You can't fix it. It is now meant.
Right.
And during the journey, that's the role of medic. Then I saw one medic you, and I know because it was
Right.
everything in that. You said right this thing. But during this journey, it was so cool. That's I attended that there, and I met there we signed and the chance emotional warrior program, and those are in the night, and was online. John D. Martin, nominal price came. Do it. I just when I think about it, I can't describe. And then, of course, it truly is what we
Yeah.
do. You know, heal your life.
Right.
I've read because
Right.
I know I know. मेरे
Right.
I was that.
Correct.
You are then going to the next level. So
Right.
if
Right.
I'm going to
Wow.
grow, so you have to come to
Nice.
the that's it. It will just go soft.
That, like I said, I know that the जैसे बोलते हैं ना, it's like when you strike the bell, there's that resonance that goes out into the world. So over the course of this pod, I know many times over this bell has been struck, and people will definitely feel the impact of your words, your energy, and your the joy and happiness that you wear so lightly, right?
Yeah.
That's also important,
Yeah.
right? So thank you so much for just being, as you said at the beginning, you're just being yourself. You're being, your true self. And I know that this will also inspire many people to say, as I'm on my journey, becoming more and more of a coach and a healer, it's like there are things that I can take from Dr. Poonam's life. There are, stories that I can be not only inspired by, but also and you mentioned NLP several times. It's like we talk about modeling, which is one major part of, that's sort of like the history of NLP. A lot of it has to do with modeling. So I know that people will consciously and unconsciously model you and just the way that you are. So
here,
it will,
everybody's generalizing, everybody's deleting, everybody's
correct.
modeling, but they are doing some
Yeah.
negative things. We have to they're
Exactly.
modeling wrong things. If something bad, we don't have the
True.
mentor and
True. Very true. So thank you once again,
Thank
Dr.
you.
Poonam Maurya, for your time and your energy and your life stories that you've shared here so freely, so powerfully. I know that, as I said before, people will definitely be inspired by you and they will take a lot with them and it will continue to work in their subconscious. Thank you for taking the time and sharing your stories.
Thank you so
And
much.
I really do wish you all the best in all the work that you're doing, the community that you're growing. May they also continue to be inspired by you. And of course, the details of what you do, your community, your social handles, all that is shared so people can follow along and get to know more about what you're doing and the many programs that you're going to be creating, not just now, but even in the future. Thank you once again for the time that you've
Thanks a
taken
lot.
and
Thanks.
your energy.
Pleasure. Yeah. Thank you
Awesome.
so
So
much.
before we
So much. Beautiful audience. Thank you so much.
Yes. Before we go, of course, just a reminder and a big thank you to all of you who've been listening, especially those of you who listen live. And if you happen to be watching this later, the fact that you've reached this point means that you've already connected with Dr. Poonam's energy and her message. So do reach out and connect with her on any, many, or all of the topics that she's talked about, because these are really, really important aspects of living. And lastly, of course, you as the viewer, listener, and watcher, you also matter. So remember that if you reach this point, it means that somewhere you're tuning into something deeper inside of you, whether you happen to already be a healer or a coach, or maybe, as I like to think of us as seekers, maybe you're on that path of being a seeker. And this is one more step in that direction to be able to truly live your purpose. So, with that, we will, of course, be back with many more pods. We make it a point to find amazing guests, people who are already on the journey, people who already have tapped into that purpose, so that you get to see how your life can be. Because if you're seeing our guest here, it just means you're seeing a glimpse of your own future. So, as always, having said all of that, remember to live your purpose. Just give me one quick second while I pause our live and then we'll wrap our session for the day. So, with that, one more time, thank you for all that you are and all who you are, Dr. Poonam. And to our viewers, listeners, and watchers, thank you for tuning in. Till we meet again, remember, of course, to live